Design is hard, but presentations are harder. That's how Alexander James O'Connell of Apple began a presentation in 2018. By 2022, Apple is the largest tech company in the world. And the way they deliver presentations is a huge part of their success. Their presentations are legendary in the tech world. They developed a super simple formula that's been passed down from Steve Jobs to current CEO Tim Cook, and it works. So, in the next 5 minutes, we'll take a look at what makes Apple's presentations tick so that you can present like the kings of tech themselves. Let's get started. Number 1, start with a video. There are so many ways to start a presentation, but kicking things off with movement and color is one of the best. No one is here for a boring, today we'll talk about whatever. They're here for something interesting and engaging right from the off. A video is a fantastic way to capture your audience's attention and pique their interest for what's coming up next. Check out this example from Apple. For their September 2021 Apple event, they started with a powerful musical montage of California, and then ended with a transition of Tim Cook walking on stage. That is a very cool way to kick things off. Number 2, use fewer words on slides. In fact, pick just the keywords that matter most. Take a look at this thing. It looks like it was designed on Google Docs. This is way too many words to read in one slide, especially if your audience is trying to focus on what you're saying as well. Remember, you are the presentation, not your slides. Try to strip down your written content to just a few keywords and leave the vast majority of your content to your speech. The way Apple do this is to keep the title of the slide and delete all the other words. You can try this or even turn your title into a short question to give your audience something to think about while you're talking. Number 3, be bold with stats. 64% of people believe that interactive presentations are more engaging. That's a stat you're more likely to remember because we put the number, and only the number, right here. It can be so easy in a presentation to get lost with graphs and charts that try to explain so many different things. In the end, these just confuse your audience and your message gets lost. Apple are the original masters at showing just one stat at a time and showing it boldly behind the presenter to reinforce one particular point. Number 4, pick your color scheme. Color is loud. Even if you can't hear it, it speaks volume about you as a person or your company as a brand. Ever wondered why Dell, HP, and Intel all have blue logos? It's because blue represents trust and dependability, which is exactly what you want in a tech company. Apple, also a tech company, opt for a more elegant and balanced silver and black for their color scheme. That works well for their brand and features in every presentation they make. Likewise, your color scheme will depend on your topic. If you're talking about medical stuff, use blue and white. If you're talking about baby stuff, use baby blue and pink. If you're talking about health stuff, use green and white. Every single color has an implicit meaning attached to it, so make sure you get the right one for your niche. Number 5, use negative space. What's negative space? Negative space is all that space within, between, and around objects, just like this. Take a look at any Apple advert, and you'll see that it's very minimal. A tiny bit of text, or a couple of icons, or an image with a whole heap of negative space surrounding all of it. Try it on your own presentations. It can really help your audience to ignore all the distractions and focus just on your message. For more presentation tips like these, remember to subscribe below, and thanks for watching.
AhaSlides. Enjoy the game.